After brain implants, reusable rockets, electric cars, trucks, and hyperloop tunnels, Elon Musk is now ready to enter the aviation industry. The 50-year-old billionaire, whose grand vision is slowly innovating the whole world as we know it, has just revealed an insane aircraft concept proposed by Tesla. Curious about it? Then make sure to stay tuned as we explore what Tesla's new VTOL electric aircraft is all about. Hello everyone, this is Elon Musk Live. Today we will share with you all the exciting details about Tesla's futuristic aircraft. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all the latest news about Elon Musk, SpaceX, and Tesla. Elon Musk has been freely expressing his ideas about extending Tesla's business beyond electric cars and trucks. That is to say, Musk wants to build electric supersonic planes that will soar to greater heights using vertical takeoff and landing technology, or VTOL. Then, utilize battery power to achieve supersonic speed. This notion was first brought up by Musk in 2009, when he said in a TechCrunch interview, "An electric plane only gets more feasible as battery energy improves." Since then, the Tesla CEO has revisited this idea in various interviews and on Twitter, which he purchased in April of this year. At the 2016 Hyperloop Pod Awards ceremony, Musk shared that he's been thinking about the vertical takeoff and landing electric jet a bit more. He thinks he has something that might be close, and he's quite tempted to do something about it. A VTOL electric aircraft prototype is relatively easy to make, according to him. It's the volume production with high reliability and low cost, plus meeting all the regulatory requirements worldwide that is 100 times harder. Then, in June 2019, in reply to a Twitter user asking if it's possible for planes to fly off of batteries, Musk answered, "Yes, but it's still a bit too limited on range. That will change in coming years as battery energy density improves." He followed up on this on the Joe Rogan podcast, saying the most interesting thing about an electric plane is you want to go as high as possible, but you need a certain energy density in the battery pack because you have to overcome gravitational potential energy. He then pointed out that the energy you use in cruise is very low, and then you can recapture a large part of your gravitational potential energy on the way down. So you really don't need any kind of reserve fuel. He also explained that the higher you go, the faster you will go for the same amount of energy. And at certain altitudes, you can go supersonic with less energy per mile. Less energy than an aircraft at 35,000 feet. Musk continued to talk about the virtues of supersonic jets in his October 2020 tweet, expressing, "There should be a new supersonic jet. This time electric." Obviously, Musk is very interested in the construction of an electric high-speed VTOL aircraft, and he has a very clear concept and understanding of how to design and build one. So, what's stopping him? Well, the answer to this isn't as complicated as you might think. It's actually very simple. In October, Elon Musk expressed his enthusiasm when questioned if he would be interested in tackling the aviation industry next, but admitted that taking on another project may not be possible, as he has too much on his plate already. He tweeted, "I'm so dying to do a supersonic electric VTOL jet, but adding more work will make my brain explode." In short, the man is very busy, so constructing a supersonic aircraft will have to take a back seat, for now. We have to understand that Elon Musk is wearing many hats. He's not just a father of 6 children, he's also the CEO of 2 multi-billion-dollar firms, SpaceX and Tesla. In addition, he's the brain behind the Boring Company, Neuralink, and OpenAI. There are also some speculations that Musk will act as Twitter CEO temporarily after his purchase of the company closes later this year. What a diligent man. It's no wonder that he's the richest man on the planet. One of SpaceX's founding team, Jim Cartrell, said, "Elon Musk is very smart, but he's also very determined and hardworking. Together with his intelligence and vision, hard work is what makes him so successful. Did I mention that he works very, very hard? Yeah." Going back, the Tesla CEO has expressed interest in the Tesla Model 5, which is a concept design for an electric VTOL aircraft. Although this is not actually Tesla's idea, it was actually designed by Tom Abbott Davies, an English industrial designer. His design is based on the Manta Ray. The Model 5 is a single-passenger aircraft that features 3 ducted fans with titanium turbine blades for vertical and forward flight. It has 3 lithium-ion battery-powered motors, a 1250 kilowatt motor, and dual 650 kilowatt brushless motors geared with rotor blades. For safety, the aircraft has distributed electric propulsion, DEP, meaning it has multiple propellers and motors. So if one or more motors or propellers fail, the other working motors and propellers can still safely land the aircraft. On the exterior, the Model 5 has a retractable landing gear hidden under its carbon fiber underbody. It has a titanium shell, a magnesium fuselage, and a wide canopy that can be altered to fit 2 people. The aircraft is also gyroscopically stabilized to ensure smooth flight. Davies started sketching the Tesla Model 5 by hand in 2014 while attending Stowe School. Then, in 2017, during his undergraduate studies at Loughborough University, he finalized the design by using the 3D CAD program SolidWorks, and he rendered the CAD file using Keyshot. Davies' goal was to intern at Tesla, and this design was included in his internship application process. However, Davies was unable to get his internship for some reason, though Musk did say that his design looks pretty cool when he saw it on Twitter. Although the Model 5 did not come to fruition, Tesla still has its helicopter on the way. Designed by Antonio Paglia, this helicopter is said to embody the virtues of Tesla as a company. The Tesla helicopter has a 5-bladed rotor, compared to the 2 or 3-bladed rotors of conventional helicopters. The rotors help the helicopter achieve lift force smoothly and reduce turbulence during ascension and descent. This helicopter features an exoskeleton-like structure and has 2 small fins on either side of its body to maintain stability. It also has a closed cockpit, though Tesla may want to include functionality to toggle a covering on top of the cockpit to allow its operator to shift from direct view to a video-connected view, which will come in handy when flying in extreme weather like snowstorms, sandstorms, or heavy rain. Designed for efficiency and speed, the Tesla helicopter is anticipated to do well in safety departments, making air and underground patrol easier, cheaper, and more efficient. It might even be able to offer assistance in case of emergency. At this time, Tesla doesn't have the time or immediate need to build electric helicopters and VTOL. This is because battery technology can't keep up with electric aircraft yet. Musk said that the ideal energy density of batteries for an electric aircraft is 500 watt-hours per kilogram, but batteries today are still running at only 270 to 300 watt-hours per kilogram. That means we still have a bit of a ways to go before we see a Tesla helicopter or a variation of the Tesla Model 5 up in the sky. That said, Tesla is not the only company looking to build an electric aircraft. In 2017, Aviation revealed its prototype called Alice, the first all-electric passenger aircraft. It has a maximum range of 440 nautical miles and can carry up to 9 passengers, making Alice viable for some short-haul regional flights. Its certification will be completed in 2024, preceding its commercial launch the following year. Sikorsky, a Lockheed Martin company responsible for some of America's most successful helicopter designs, is also looking to build electric aircraft. Their project is the Sikorsky Firefly, an all-electric helicopter built for research purposes. The Firefly is a modified Sikorsky S-300C helicopter that had its engines replaced with an electric motor and 2 lithium-ion battery packs, making it the world's first all-electric helicopter. The Firefly can only operate for 12 to 15 minutes with a top speed of 92 miles per hour while carrying the pilot. If it loses power mid-flight, its blades can auto-rotate, so the pilot can land it safely in any open space. Tell us in the comments below what you think about this growing interest in aviation electrification.